Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best CarPlay AI boxes to upgrade your in-car experience. Whether you're tired of wires or looking for entertainment on the go, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Leranda CarPlay AI Box. The Leranda CarPlay AI Box is an innovative device designed to enhance your in-car experience by converting wired Apple CarPlay into a wireless version and offering additional features like streaming, screen mirroring, and more. With support for both iPhone and Android devices, this 3-in-1 wireless adapter aims to improve connectivity and convenience while driving. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros: Wireless CarPlay Android Auto. The Leranda CarPlay AI Box eliminates the need for cumbersome charging cables by enabling wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once connected, it supports music, phone calls, GPS navigation, Siri voice assistant, and more, creating a cleaner, more organized driving environment. With wireless functionality, you can leave your phone in your pocket and still enjoy full connectivity. Built-in streaming apps. One of the standout features of this device is its built-in apps like Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, and Disney. By connecting to Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot, you can stream your favorite TV shows or movies directly on the car screen. This adds extra entertainment value, especially for passengers during long trips. The ability to install additional apps via Google Play further increases the device's versatility. Large storage capacity. With 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory, the Leranda CarPlay AI Box allows you to store a variety of apps and media. It also supports a TF card, which can expand the memory up to 256 GB, providing ample storage for movies, apps, and more. This feature ensures that you can enjoy your entertainment without worrying about running out of space. Easy setup and seamless connectivity. Once set up, the device automatically connects to your car system every time you start the engine. This seamless, hassle-free connectivity ensures that you can access all your car's smart features without repeated pairing. Cons: Limited screen mirroring functionality. While screen mirroring is a great feature, it requires both the AI box and phone to be on the same network, which may not always be convenient when you're on the go. Additionally, the feature is only useful for mirroring content from your phone, so it won't work for other types of media or devices. The Leranda CarPlay AI Box offers impressive features for those looking to enhance their in-car tech experience. It delivers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in streaming apps, and an easy setup process that adds entertainment and convenience during travel. Next up, at number 4, we have the Binize CarPlay AI Box. The Binize CarPlay AI Box is an innovative device designed to revolutionize the way you connect and interact with your car's infotainment system. By transforming your existing wired CarPlay setup into a wireless connection, this 4-in-1 AI box offers a seamless and convenient way to use CarPlay and Android Auto without the hassle of cords. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Binize CarPlay AI Box to help you determine if it's the right upgrade for your vehicle. Pros: Seamless wireless connectivity. One of the biggest advantages of the Binize CarPlay AI Box is its ability to convert a wired CarPlay system into a wireless one. This means no more fumbling with cables, and you can keep your phone charged without needing to plug and unplug it constantly. Wide app support. The ability to download and use a variety of apps is another key feature. Whether it's navigation, video streaming, or music, the AI Box allows you to access all your favorite apps without the need for extra devices or complicated setups. Easy setup. The setup process is straightforward with a simple plug-and-play USB connection. Once connected, all you need to do is enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone to establish the wireless connection with your car display. Mirror link function. The screen mirroring feature is a useful addition, allowing you to display content from your smartphone, such as videos and apps on your car's screen. This feature works for both Android and iOS devices, expanding its versatility. Eliminates wear and tear on your phone. By eliminating the need to constantly plug in your phone to your car system, the AI Box helps reduce wear and tear on your phone's charging port. It also saves you from needing to carry around extra charging cables. Cons: Limited to cars with OEM wired CarPlay. The Binize AI Box only works with cars that have an existing wired CarPlay setup. If your vehicle doesn't have CarPlay support, you won't be able to use this device, limiting its applicability. The Binize CarPlay AI Box is a great solution for drivers looking to make their existing CarPlay setup wireless, improving convenience and reducing the need for physical cables. With easy installation, broad app compatibility, and the ability to mirror your smartphone screen, this AI box offers significant value to those with compatible vehicles. Taking the third spot is the Jovial PAS20BD CarPlay AI Box. The Jovial PAS20BD CarPlay AI Box is a versatile device designed to enhance your in-car experience by adding wireless CarPlay capabilities, improved streaming connectivity, and a range of additional features. Let's explore the pros and cons of this product to see if it's right for you. Pros: wireless CarPlay and Android connectivity. The Jovial PAS20BD is designed to transform your car's original wired Apple CarPlay into a wireless version, giving you a cleaner, more streamlined driving experience. It also supports Android Auto, offering wireless connectivity for Android devices. This means that whether you are using an iPhone or Android phone, you can enjoy seamless connectivity without the need for charging cables. Dual Bluetooth and hassle-free pairing. The dual Bluetooth module allows for easy pairing with devices and ensures that the connection remains stable within a 32-foot range. Whether you are connecting your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or PC, the Jovial PAS20BD makes it quick and simple to pair your devices, allowing for a more versatile and enjoyable in-car experience. Built-in GPS and navigation support. This device includes built-in GPS navigation, supporting GPS Jumas Beidou systems, which makes it easy to navigate anywhere with real-time directions. Whether you're driving across town or on a long road trip, this feature ensures you stay on track, adding value and convenience to your travel. High-performance processor and multilingual support. The Qualcomm Snapdragon STEM 450 processor delivers strong performance, ensuring that the system runs smoothly without lag. The TP card slot supports over 100 languages, providing a global user-friendly experience. This makes it a great option for international drivers or those who prefer a more localized interface. Cons: limited range for Bluetooth connectivity. While the wireless range of 32 feet is sufficient for most cases, it might not be ideal for users who prefer extended connectivity or need to access devices further away from the AI box. In certain situations, the range may feel limiting, especially if you're using multiple devices. The Jovial PAS20BD CarPlay AI Box is an excellent choice for tech-savvy drivers looking to enhance their in-car experience. With features like wireless CarPlay, dual Bluetooth, built-in GPS, and screen mirroring, it provides a host of benefits that improve both connectivity and entertainment during drives. Coming in at number 2 is the AuroraLink R603 CarPlay AI Box. The AuroraLink R603 CarPlay AI Box offers a cutting-edge upgrade for car owners who want to enjoy wireless CarPlay in their vehicles. This 3-in-1 device not only enables wireless CarPlay, but it also comes with a built-in Android 11.0 multimedia system, allowing access to popular apps like YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, Spotify, and more. In this video, we will dive into the pros and cons of the AuroraLink R603 CarPlay AI Box to help you determine if it's the right choice for your car. Pros: wireless CarPlay convenience. The biggest advantage of the AuroraLink R603 is its ability to convert wired CarPlay to wireless, eliminating the need for cables and allowing you to enjoy a cleaner and more convenient driving experience. This makes it perfect for those who want to reduce clutter while still accessing their phone's features. Built-in multimedia apps. With apps like YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, and Spotify built into the device, you can easily access entertainment on the go. The addition of a USB flash drive option for offline content is a great feature for users who may not have access to the internet during their drive. Wireless HDMI functionality. The ability to use the AuroraLink R603 as a wireless HDMI dongle opens up new possibilities. You can connect the device to various displays, such as TVs and rear seat monitors, making it a versatile tool for entertainment on longer trips. Fast, reliable connection. The 5G transmission technology and upgraded core chip ensure that the device delivers fast and stable connections. This is particularly important for streaming apps and maintaining a smooth CarPlay experience. Cons. Compatibility limited to wired CarPlay. The AuroraLink R603 only works with vehicles that are already equipped with wired CarPlay. If your car does not support CarPlay, this device will not be compatible, limiting its usefulness for some users. The AuroraLink R603 CarPlay AI Box is a powerful and versatile device that enhances your car's entertainment system by making it wireless and offering access to multimedia apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify. Its dual functionality as a wireless HDMI dongle and wireless CarPlay adapter adds extra value, making it a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their in-car experience. And finally, our top pick, the Timeknow R605 CarPlay AI Box. The Timeknow R605 CarPlay AI Box is a cutting-edge adapter designed to bring a new level of connectivity and entertainment to your vehicle. This device transforms your traditional wired CarPlay or Android Auto system into a seamless wireless experience, giving drivers a cleaner, more convenient driving setup. Additionally, it offers a range of entertainment features and a straightforward setup process. But is it the right choice for you? Let's explore the pros and cons of this innovative product. Pros. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. The Timeknow R605 allows you to upgrade your car system from wired to wireless CarPlay or Android Auto with ease. This eliminates the need for physical cables, reducing clutter, and making your driving experience more convenient. Once your car supports wired CarPlay, this adapter enables wireless functionality, making it easy to stay connected without the hassle of plugging in your phone each time. Built-in Google Play Store and 64D memory. The R605 AI Box comes equipped with a 64GB memory and a built-in Google Play Store. This allows you to download apps directly to the device, turning your car screen into an entertainment hub. You can install popular apps like YouTube, TikTok, Netflix, and many others, providing endless entertainment options for both drivers and passengers. Plus, with the app installer, you can even load additional software for even more customization. Enhanced entertainment features. Beyond just wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, this device offers seamless access to entertainment like Google Maps, YouTube, Netflix, and more. Whether you're navigating, watching movies, or enjoying music, the R605 supports control through the car's car screen, steering wheel buttons, or knob, ensuring easy and safe operation while driving. For a more immersive experience, the adapter can also function as an HDMI dongle, allowing you to enjoy on-the-go cinema with compatible apps. Cons. Limited storage and app management. While 64GB of internal storage is generous for most users, those who want to download a large number of apps or store lots of media may find the storage capacity to be limiting. Furthermore, managing and organizing apps on the device could be a bit cumbersome, especially for those not accustomed to Android-based systems. The Timeknow R605 CarPlay AI Box is an innovative solution for anyone looking to upgrade their car's entertaining and connectivity features. It offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Play Store, 64GB memory, and enhanced entertainment options like streaming services and apps directly from the car's display. The easy setup and smart IC chip for improved connectivity make it a solid choice for tech-savvy drivers.